Oh. What happened?
Even your camera is tired of this video, usually.
The camera is beeping, it telling me that I should close the video. But we are persistent. Persistency is the key to driving school lessons and stuff. Okay, pay attention. Stop. There was a stop sign.
Oh my God, Ёжик. This is the worst thing you
Watch
can
out. Watch the corners. Watch the column. And let me be jealous on my own. Okay. Let me. Do not interrupt me with my jealousy. I just need a good car. Okay, there's a car here for you. Okay. Challenger. Now I'm jealous. Well, Wrangler, not so. Where are the Ferraris in our garage? I don't get it here. Where are the Lambos? I want to have a Lambo.
do. Wrong building.
We're in the wrong building?
Yes.
We gotta do something on this, like, we gotta move our zip code. What my mentor told me. You can change it. You can change it. If you don't like the zip code, just move out. You don't like your income? Change your zip code. Wow, what a great driver we have here today. It is been
You sound very condescending, as Sashula says.
compensating. Condescending.
Снисходительно очень со мной разговариваешь. As if you think that you're much better than I am.
Of course I am much better than you are.
No, you think that you are.
No, I
much
don't
better.
think. I know I am because I'm a better driver than you. But let's face reality.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you're better at me, on me.
Oh.
I'm sorry for my.
Коллективное бессознательное.
Sorry for my.
Сейчас начну утреннюю тему about
No,
backstabbing.
English only. This is for the English audience only. What I was about to say. Maybe you're better on some other topics, but not on the driving one. All right, we are in the garage, guys. This is the darkest place in our lifetime. Garage and a garage. The garage story. Oh, that's my personal car, by the way. You see that? Please be jealous. You see, that's my car. If you cannot be jealous for that, I don't know what you're gonna be jealous for.
Так, теперь надо...
All right, now we're gonna try to squish this, our big vehicle, between these two cars. Let's see how good you are. You did it last time. Oh, I think it's too... Wait. I think you're too late, to be honest, okay? But let's try it. We're gonna do the... All right, that's now is... Okay, let's go forward. You will adjust a little bit. Okay, there are two cars, guys. You cannot see them because it's so dark. We're about to go. All right. Okay. That was a good maneuver.
What's wrong?
That's all. You need a little bit more.
Ёжик, все.
All right.
With this camera, do it yourself. Ну, честно.